Iwan ko na lang. Kung mabuhay ibang mga tao dire, pirti maningmingawa mong lugar. Ang tagal na namin nakatira dito. Ayan. Ay. Baktas, baktas, walking, walking. Kasi ganito buhay namin dito. So, relaxing. Wala kang Yan na kamingaw. Balay. So, okay lang. Mga view lang yung tanawon din na ba? Because this here is winter. So, it's nice weather. We are walking. Yan ni kamingaw sa amo ang kapaligiran.
C'est la caméra, elle bouge toute seule.
Yeah.
Ils sont clairs les...
Marché de Villeneuve-Sultan. Dimanche, Sunday, there is a market at 9 to 12. We're gonna show you the place. We're going to the market in coming Sunday. Yesterday, it's past. Close, huh? It's so quiet here. Very quiet. Very big, but nobody's leaving. They go in the city, big city. Oh, we're entering here. Ang sheep to dito. The chicken. So, the house is here. It's quite, very quiet. Come, you're gonna see the small village there. Here, the church there, and that is a small municipal in the village. So here, do we have to go on the river? No.
If you want.
Huh? Look at. So you just roam around, see how nice the old houses here. You see, you can look at that. It's nice. And then, yeah, you can post. Yeah, Moni, ito ang araw ngayon. There is sun, it's nice weather, so we roam around. It's good to go out, especially in winter, because winter is very, very cold. But here in South France, it's not cold. We have a mild winter. If you have this kind of weather, it's already a good time, because you can go out. You don't have to wear so much things, like cover with the heavy clothes, heavy mantle. Yeah, big coats. So this one is light. It's only a raincoat to protect the wind, because there is a wind. So this is how it is in the South France, or in the small village. Gitawag nila ghost town kasi nobody's around you. Ikaw ra nagtikaw-tikaw. So, arita mo agi, let's go to pass in the other, kasi lately doon kami sa ibabaw. So, dito kami dumaan sa may maliit na a little river beside us. So, it's nice here. You can only hear the gush of the small river. You see? Ayan. Dito sila naglaba. Look, in the old time, they are washing here. Oh, wow. Otrupa, you see? Look, this is how they are washing their clothes. Mura pag bulok-bulok ba? Sa mo nagibiyaan na daw ni. Mo din ni kunukuan. Pero ilang labuanan, They wash here. Wow. How old is that? You see? Oh, pa. Si tawag ni sa tuwa, nakalimot man ko eh. Ano kayong tawag natin nito? Kanang palu-palo ba? So, if you can read here. Today, abandoned the roof of the wash house provided cover for the village women who came here to wash their household laundry. It was beneath its roof that the local gossip was exchanged. During a number of years, the faithful continued to wash their jumpers here, there. There's nothing better than pure stream water for preserving the wool's softness. Yeah, kasi yung mga damit nila is, ano yung damit nila eh? Wool. Wow. Oh, diba? Very nice here. This is what I like in France. Because they have so much kanang mga kuan nga view ba. Kanang di ba tong nagmo nang daghang mga English people come here because of this place. There are many English people coming. You see? Isn't that nice? Look at that. Look at that. Naibalay dito. Is it not nice? Hindi diyan ko nila. So wala mo makita nga dagway kay ngano. Ako may nagunit sa kamera. Di man mahimog di ta maggunit sa kamera. So agay kalapok ba diri oy. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Ayan, dito. So, ngayon ito mag-walking. Ayan. Lapok. See? Ganun rin nila ha. Ilang kuan. Ilahang ilahang ano fence nila. May mga kawatan dire. Sa ato raman dahang kawatan. Budlay ning itong lugar oy. Di ta kalakaw sa tuang balay nga waray. Di makaklaro sira. Kay dahang kawatan. Diri may kawatan dire sa tinuod lang. Mga kawatan dire kanang mga dayo. From Romania. Wala mga kawatan dire. From Romania. Kahit ano. Mga black. Mga itom ba? May itom. Sila may mga awat dire. Pero di mga French. Dili ni sila niya ni. Ilang mentality. Working hard ang mga French. Yung ubang lahi. May mo kanang mo benefits. You see? Dumaan lang tayo doon. Is a 16th century. Can you imagine that house? 16th century. Yeah, because there's a, I don't know in English muleng. 6 cm sekla. 16th century. Imagine this house. Atong gilabyan ganina. Just wait there.
Yeah.
No, the star.
Hey, go to the star.
The star. I'm not a star. I'm not. Saint-Adri. A bit photo in Saint-Adri. Our souvenir. You never know. O, diba? So, papauwi na kami. We're going up to our house in the mountain. In the mountain.
Il manque plus que la neige et c'est un chalet.
Quoi?
Il manque plus que la neige et c'est un chalet.
Ah non, ouais.
Ah non, je veux pas de la neige. No snow, please. No snow. Sun, what we need.
Thank you about for the sun.
So, galing kami doon. That village. Ayan. Nakita mo niyo ba yung ano? Yung sa head ng church? Taloy-toy niya. Matalis na ano. Yan, dyan kami galing. So, masaka na kami sa lugar namin. And ito ang makita mo. Yan. Yan ang magandang bahay doon. Diba? Yan ang magandang bahay nila doon sa baba. May swimming pool. Yan ang bahay nila, diba? Tahimik yung bahay dito. Napakatahimik. Iwan ko na lang. Anyway. Oh. So, andito na kami sa bahay namin. You see? The old house here. We pass here. In this place. Oh, diba? That is laurel. Laurel leaves. Kita ko sa inyo, laurel leaves. Diba? This one. Laurel leaves. Bay leaves, right?
Yeah.
Lutoon mo. So, wala nakatira dito. Wala. Nobody's living here. Because this house, it looks like, that house, it looks like somebody is living. But nobody's living. Di pwede yung matirhan kasi ano yan. Kailangan niyang i-renovate. You see? Kailangan i-renovate. And this house is for sale. Alam niyo kung magkano ito? We sold it for 80,000 euro. 80,000 euro. Imagine how many is that? 3 million including on that place there. With I don't know how many hectares. 4 hectares?
I don't know. I don't really know.
Yeah. Big hectare there where you can plant your vegetable. Ano? Is that for vegetable? Barley or wheat. So now nobody's planting. It's not the time to plant. So here, have you seen here? Yan. So here naman, it's a grapes. That's grapes. So it needs to be cut. And grapes.
It's a vine.
Yeah, grapes. A vine. Vine.
Yeah, but there's no grapes.
But not now. Because not the time.
I know.
You have to, in the coming spring, you begin to cut. Before the spring, you begin to cut around March. All that so that it can bear properly.
Yeah, but it's not always.
But nobody is looking for that. We are not so really interested. So that's all. So we are coming. Thank you for watching at the next part of the Friends. Bye-bye.
What's that, buddy?
Bagay. She's meowing. She's meowing. She's calling for us. Hey, we're talking.
Hi. Hi. Dali ma. Oh, suro-suro.